Stem cell therapy uses the body's natural repair cells to heal damaged tissues and treat conditions such as arthritis and diabetes, thereby restoring function and enhancing overall quality of life. By renewing cells and supporting tissue regeneration, stem cell therapy helps restore lost functions and enhances long-term health. Before stem cell treatment. The first step is to confirm eligibility and prepare the body for the best possible treatment outcome. Medical consultation. Specialists at Global Stem Cell Care conduct detailed medical evaluations, reviewing past history, current health, and necessary diagnostic tests. Personalized treatment plan. Based on diagnosis, a personalized treatment plan is created to address the condition while aligning with individual healthcare goals. Pre-treatment and emotional preparation. Patients are guided on nutrition, hydration, medication restrictions, and emotional preparedness, ensuring confidence and peace of mind before treatment. During stem cell treatment. This process is usually simple, least invasive, and conducted under expert supervision. Stem cell collection. Stem cells are collected based on the treatment protocol, ensuring safety and suitability for the patient's condition. Processing and purification. Collected cells are processed, purified, and tested in a controlled laboratory environment to maintain high quality and purity. Cell administration. The prepared stem cells are carefully administered into the targeted area, bloodstream, or spinal region under expert supervision. Comfort and safety. The procedure is minimally invasive, typically completed within a few hours, with most patients resuming light activities the same day. After stem cell treatment. Patients are observed briefly after the procedure to ensure comfort and stability before discharge. Immediate care. After the treatment, you will be kept under observation for a few hours before discharge to ensure that everything is in order and you are comfortable. Recovery guidance. To regain their health, patients should rest, hydrate adequately, and refrain from performing any heavy work or activity for a brief time. Rehabilitation and support. To facilitate the return of the affected tissue and local mobility, the physician may recommend gentle exercises, physiotherapy, or yoga. Monitoring progress. To oversee your recuperation and implement any necessary adjustments, there are scheduled follow-up appointments. Visible results. In general, it takes time for positive changes to become visible. The majority of individuals report alleviation of pain, improvement of movement, and increased energy after a few weeks or months. Stem cell therapy in India supports the body's natural healing abilities. With Global Stem Cell Care's expert guidance and personalized approach, patients embark on a safe, effective, and lasting journey toward improved health and balance.